Ready to unlock the secrets to closing subject to deals like a pro. Step 1. Due diligence is your new best friend. Dive deep into the existing mortgage, liens, and property condition. Title searches are non-negotiable. Step 2. Understand the risks your client is taking on the seller's existing debt. So clearly outline potential pitfalls like foreclosure or acceleration clauses. Step 3. Negotiate strategically. Aim for a purchase price that reflects the existing mortgage balance and any needed repairs. Don't be afraid to ask for credits or concessions. Step 4. Favorable terms are crucial. Secure a favorable interest rate, payment schedule, and ensure the seller remains responsible for maintaining the mortgage until ownership transfers. Step 5. Protect your client's interests above all else. Include contingency clauses in the purchase agreement to allow for inspections, appraisals, and attorney review. Step 6. Navigate complexity with expertise. Subject to deals involve intricate paperwork and legal considerations, so consult with real estate attorneys and financial advisors. Master these steps and you'll confidently guide your clients through subject to transactions, turning potential challenges into successful closings.